Foot on their neck, keep them upset. All gas, no brakes. Only broke hoes gon' hate. A red boss bitch gon' relate. BBW with a big bag, keep a bitch mad and don't play. She apply that pressure. She apply that pressure. Keep applying that pressure. That major pressure. She apply that pressure. Keep applying that pressure. That major pressure. Applying that pressure, keep applying that pressure, that major pressure. Keep applying that pressure, she applying that pressure, that major.
What's up, YouTube? Man, it's your boy Major Pressure coming at you with another little video today. Trying to do some repairs on Stallion, so trying to get these underglow lights to work like I need them to again. So as you can tell, I already started the process. Ripped it all down because somehow, I don't know if y'all can see that right there. This is my repair piece. Repair piece right here. I was driving on the highway and they caught my lights. So I have to go back and rewire them again. So, as you can tell, you see my dad behind me about to get this work in. So y'all stay with me. About to show you the rest. I'll be right back. So everybody, YouTube, finally got old Stallion back together. He had to think about it. Look, I did. I'm gonna have to think about my name. Don't worry about it. This joker here pulled up on me. But I finally got old Stallion back together, man. She just, you know, a little bit more cosmetics. We're not gonna talk about it. But in the video, you'll see. So, another one down, another product to go. Until next time, like I said in every video that I got, no matter the weather, your boy gonna pull up and apply pressure, you dig? I'm out.